How to create a dreamlike scene with text-to-image AI and video editing. This tutorial will show you how to create a short scene using 3 AI apps in Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro, all starting with just a text prompt. Step 1. Generate the background image. First of all, we will define the scene. We wanted a teenage girl named Ren in a dreamlike futuristic city with neon signs. Next, let's write a text prompt. We used a large language model like Gemini to write a detailed text prompt based on our idea. Here's the finished text prompt.
Ren's neon nightmare. Ren lives in a world painted in neon hues, a city where the line between reality and digital was as blurred as the rain-slicked streets. It was a place of towering skyscrapers, towering advertisements, and a constant hum of technological advancement. But beneath the glittering surface, a darker reality lurked, a world rife with crime, violence, and a pervasive sense of despair. Ren was a stark contrast to this dystopian cityscape. A slender teenage girl with eyes that held the depth of 1,000 galaxies, she possessed a unique blend of creativity and technological prowess.
Now it's time to generate the image. We used an AI art generator called Leonardo.ai with the text prompt to create several image options. We're currently using the free version, which gives us 150 tokens a day. Here are the 4 variations we were given. We feel this one best captured the scene we envisioned. Step 2. Add movement. We're going to use a photo animation app called Fotor to create a movement effect on the background, emphasizing the dreamlike feel. We simply go to Fotor.com and then click on the From Image tab. Then just click on the image upload area and select our image. There are different styles to choose from, like anime and game art, but we will keep our image the same and not select a style. Then click Generate. A new video is created from our image and it looks really good. The way the people move and disappear does give it a bit of a dream-like state. Step 3. Edit the scene in Premiere Pro. First, import and edit. Let's import our image into Premiere Pro and create a new sequence based on its resolution. We noticed a slight distortion on Ren's face, so we decided to fix it. Here's how to fix Ren's face. We will take the original image and create a new layer on top of our video and line them up correctly. Then, using the masking tool, let's quickly select the character. Finally, we set a keyframe at the beginning of the video and then move the cursor to the end of the video and resize the character and add another keyframe. This will keep Ren's face sharper than in the original video. Step 4. Adding music and extending the scene. Now let's add music and decide the length. We found a fitting background music track and duplicated the scene to make it longer. We also decided to slow down the clip a bit for a dreamlike effect. Again, we will have to adjust the image to match the background movement using keyframes. And finally, step number 5, let's add an effect. At the end of the scene, we want her to disappear and just leave the scene with the empty street. To do this, let's take the original image into Photoshop. Once we are in, let's again select the character and use generative fill to remove her from the image and have it generate a new background to match the image. Here's the result. Finally, let's take this background image back into Premiere Pro and match it at the end of the scene. This is a great place to play around with movement, music, and animating the scene to how you want it. Here's the final scene with everything added. What do you think? Are there other things you would have done to this scene? Let us know in the comments, and please remember to subscribe to our channel.